So here we will see the actual examples of formation of differential equations. So here derive a partial differential equation whose general solution is given here. Z is equal to axy plus b, where a and b are arbitrary constants. A and b are arbitrary constants. So I have given here arbitrary constants, and I have to solve the linear differential form a partial differential equation. So means I have to eliminate these two. As we discuss, differentiate this equation, call this equation number 1. So let this z is equal to axy plus b, call this equation number 1, and take its derivative with respect to x and y partially. So here dou z by dou x is equal to, with respect to x, dou z by dou x is equal to, yes, with respect to x, y is constant. So I get here a y as it is. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of b is 0. Or next, dou z by dou y with respect to y. What I get with respect to y? X is constant. So I get ax and derivative of b is 0. Okay, I get here two values. Dou z by dou x is equal to ay and dou z by dou y is equal to ax. Take this ratio. We call this as p. P is equal to ay and here q is equal to ax, because we know that dou z by dou x is p and dou z by dou y is q. Take the ratio. P upon q is equal to, what I get? Ay upon ax. A get cancel. I get p upon q is equal to y upon x, means px is equal to qy. So I get a partial differential equation. Px minus qy is equal to 0. Or you may write x into dou z by dou x minus y into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. But no need to write it. This is our required answer. Okay, understood it? Now let us solve one more problem. Find partial differential equation. Question is find, can I write in short? Partial differential equation, PDE, of solution is given f of x square plus y square, x square minus z square is equal to 0. F of x square plus y square, x square minus z square is equal to 0. Right? Now if you see carefully, f is used here. F, you may call it as capital F or whatever it may be. Now this inside term x square plus y square, I called it as u. So let u is equal to x square plus y square. V is equal to x square minus z square. Right? What I get here then? F of uv is equal to 0. Getting arbitrary function f now. And u and v are temporary variables we have taken. So I get arbitrary function. And whenever I get arbitrary function, I have to find I have to use second method, right, to eliminate arbitrary constant, determinant method, right? We just remember it by determinant method. Okay, no problem. Now u and v are given. Find all its derivatives. Means, see here, u is there, so find dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x is equal to derivative of u with respect to x only. Yes, 2x. Derivative of y, 0, no problem. Then dou u by dou y. Tell me, dou u by dou y with respect to y now. It is derivative of x square 0 and derivative of y square is 2y. Then dou u by dou z. Here there is z is absent, so 0. Next, dou v by dou x. Always keep in your mind, whenever you take an arbitrary function, find all its derivative with respect to x, y, z. Okay? So v, derivative of v with respect to x, it is 2x. Derivative of v with respect to y is there? No. So answer is 0. And derivative of v with respect to z, yes, minus 2z. Okay? Now, I get here 6 derivatives. Now I have to use that 6 derivatives in my determinant. What is the formula for determinant? Yes, determinant of dou u by dou x plus p into dou u by dou z. dou v by dou x plus p into dou v by dou z, dou u by dou y plus q into dou u by dou z, means this first column is for u. Yes, first column is for u and second column is for v. And if you remember row wise, then in first row x and z, and in second row y and z. See, clearly only you have to remember this, dou u by dou x plus p dou u by dou z, and same way for v. Okay, so this determinant I need. Write down this determinant of, write down the formula, dou u by dou x plus p into dou u by dou z, dou v by dou x plus p into dou v by dou z, dou u by dou y plus q into dou u by dou z, dou v by dou y plus q into dou v by dou z is equal to 0. And now put the values which you have calculated. The first one, determinant, what is dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is 2x plus p into dou u by dou z. What is dou u by dou z? It is 0. P into 0. Okay, first term over. Then dou v by dou x. What is dou v by dou x? It is 2x plus p into dou v by dou z. It is minus 2z. Okay, second one with respect to y. Dou u by dou y. What is dou u by dou y? 2y plus q into, whenever you start with y, q is there, q into dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou z is 0. Then dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y is 0 plus q into dou v by dou z. Dou v by dou z is minus 2z, and determinant is equal to 0. Okay, simplify the determinant, solve it. 2x into this, so I can write in proper way so that you can understand. 2x 2y, because other 0 here, 2x minus 2pz, next minus 2qz is equal to 0. Now solve the determinant. What I get? Minus 4qxz, 4qxz minus 4xy minus it become plus, yes, 4pyz is equal to 0. Got it? 4 common and cancel. Write in proper way. I get here pyz. Something is common there? Nothing. Pyz is equal to, minus sign I transfer to that side, xy plus qxz. So this is my answer. Pyz plus xy into qyz. Yes, see here. Pyz is equal to xy plus qxz. So same answer I get here. Now you may solve some more examples on this formation of differential equation. You have understood the concept. I am just showing you some examples. You can do it by your own. I will tell you little bit. See here, one function is there, z is equal to x minus c1 square plus y minus c2 square, means c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants. How you are going to eliminate it? If you differentiate it, you will get, if you differentiate it, then you will get here dou z by dou x is equal to, dou z by dou x is equal to 2 in bracket x minus c1, 2 in bracket x minus c1, right, plus 2 in bracket y minus c1, plus 2 in bracket y minus c1. Okay, so this is my dou z by dou x. Clearly, next one is dou z by dou y. So dou z by dou y is equal to, sorry, with respect to x, this is 0. With respect to x, you are going to differentiate, means this term is 0. With respect to y, na? Getting? So from this, okay, dou z by dou y now. Dou z by dou y with respect to x is there, so this term is 0, and I get only this 2 into y minus c1. 2 into y minus c2. Okay. Now, how to solve it? Simple. X minus C1 is equal to P upon 2, because this is P, this is Q. Y minus C2 is equal to Q upon 2. Understood? Put this in equation, in your given equation. Your given equation is Z equal to X minus C1. What is value of X minus C1? It is P by 2. Value of X minus C1 is P by 2. So it is P square by 4 plus Q square by 4. So your answer is, yes, if I write the answer, what will be my answer? 4Z is equal to P square plus Q square. Right? Same way you can do for others and find the answer. Okay? Thanks for watching.